Poke a hole.
You trying to bite it?
He tried to bite. He's over like this, right? Triple D was like, yeah.
You believe this?
Hey, Ryan.
You can't bite everything.
Castaway, right? You see the Castaway with Tom? Well, you can take a sharp rock like that and get it started and just peel it.
Just hit it over your head. That'll bust it.
Any type of good rock.
Or a good head. They used to call it Max Headroom in high school. Max Headroom.
All right, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventure. Yay!
Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story? Please, please.
All right, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, here we go.
Once upon a time, not long ago.
Last year.
We all wet, but we was all wet last night.
So wet from sweat.
Pool party at Oceanside Resort and Marina. Last dance in March. Oh, we got to pay this.
Should be 10 days of fancy fish. Should be telling you.
Thank you.
Something there. Should be giving you some idea.
You hung over, Chloe?
I'm hungry too.
You hungry?
I'm sitting like, I'm good. Oh, yeah. You're out of here. Gotta get some get right.
10 days. Uh-oh, that's a thumbnail.
Nick, sleep good.
You left before.
Hey, I'm glad you called somebody and told me to bring on Bud O.
And I remember them Sunday and he would forget his phone.
We had a little after party.
I think that's what they said they would bring
You still leaving today, Marcus? Yeah.
Marcus is out.
Yeah, you know Marcus. He gonna come and have a good time. That's how he did in Colorado. Yeah.
Hey, he the one that started dropping bikes and shit, and then Slappy kept on with it. Look up. Stop that.
You should have seen him, boy. He back there had a conniption fit. He dropped that bike, Duncan did. And he was already like wound up. He done set himself up. I said, whoa, Duncan!
I know I remember him saying it. Somebody else
Oh, boy.
Say, what don't make you laugh or make you cry?
Alright, y'all see me yesterday, though. Y'all see me with Slappy yesterday. I was walking out there in the ocean, and Slappy came up behind me. He was ducking. And my feet are so tender on them rocks. I told Slappy, when he grabbed me, I said, oh, no. I started cleaning like a slave. I said, please. I went to his last night. I said, please, Mr. Jackson. Please don't slap me. I said, please.
Not Mr. Jackson.
I forgot Slappy. I said, Mr. Jackson, please, Mr. Jackson, don't slap me.
You know, I don't have no mercy. But the way he was moving, I said, I can't do him like that.
He let me go so softly. I said, thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, we all were waiting. Who was that? I think it was Rita. She had her camera ready.
Yeah.
Waiting on him to
I was like, Slappy, don't do it. Slappy. I said, wait a minute. Please, Mr. Jackson.
I snuck up on him like an alligator.
Please.
I snuck up on him like an alligator. He come.
I ain't even hear that.
Splash.
My damn feet were hurting so bad. Like I was walking on.
Be bad at all.
Walking on hot cold.
I grabbed Doug. Please don't do me like that.
Yep.
I slammed Stick's ass though.
That's got. Now I wish I could have seen that.
I picked his little scrawny ass up off the ground. I tried to grab this damn dude. He better make me hurt my back.
Oh God. Yeah.
Somebody trying to grab a daggone greased pig.
He still wasn't lighting water.
No, he wasn't deep enough.
So okay, so the two skinny people, you got us good.
Oh, yeah, you too.
Woodrow.
He showed no mercy. Morning. He showed no mercy. It was immediately, and I was like, see why I don't get in. And then I couldn't get around. Because the water was too heavy. He was too wide.
He showed mercy.
I showed him mercy.
He showed mercy.
Next time I'm gonna say my feet sensitive.
He was big.
Maybe he'll show me some
You gotta
mercy.
call him by his last name, Mr. Jackson.
Oh, she was gonna get it no matter what she called me.
I think he would have carried me from the shore and threw me in.
That's her thing. You play too much. You play too much.
I just know to get prepared. As soon as he touched me, I just said,
Oh God.
But I gave you the option. I said, dunk yourself, or I'm gonna dunk you. Shit, that's the damn lifeguard. You'd probably run off and let me. Well, she be cut through the water. That mother hit that water like daggone predator going through there.
Oh Lord. Who?
She said nobody has car oil.
Who said that? Nobody what?
That's oil for the car.
Oh, car oil.
You better grab it. All the mechanics don't have any.
Well, that's probably just in Georgia.
You don't have no car oil?
Can't get no oil in Georgia for your car.
You can't?
Yeah, thank you for cranking.
Breakfast. Oh.
Kevin knocked on the door, and Kristen came in and got the phone, and the whole bunch of stuff.
We need to pack and prepare ourselves like we're going to be out for the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the other girl.
To take a picture in the next 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes. We've been waiting on you all week.
Yeah.
You know how to get there. Surely you do.
Y'all taking the car stop?
No, we're gonna take the bike, get a picture of the bike real quick. That way tomorrow, if it's supposed to rain, it won't be it'll be a nice picture, not wet, not gloomy looking. You got it. We're gonna go take a picture with the bikes by the Bowie.
Okay.
Man, it's a pleasure, dog.
Appreciate it, man.
Morning, man. Are you gonna take a picture with your bike with your trailer hooked up?
Nah,
You got
I got cleaning and all that.
My bike got over your.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'm the corporate sales manager handling the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You did a fine job. I appreciate you taking care of us.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no, what's your name again?
Angelica.
Angelica. And you with who?
I'm sorry.
And you with who?
I'm the Peace Collection complex sales manager.
I want you to let them know that. She took care of us, y'all. So if you need something from down here, the Keys Collection, holler at.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for that plug.
You got it.
How's your...
It's been good.
Oh yeah, everything's great. Staff is great. Okay.
Enjoy your day. Just want to say hi.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
It's called.
I tried.
Hey, Stephanie got a drunk.
And then I didn't use it much. Went once a month. Because I was working so much, I finally got cuz to come out here with us. That's right. I'm enjoying myself.
I wasn't even.
I go once a week.
Snappers and pictures all day, baby.
Stick pin. You say you gonna take a picture by your with your bike?
You gonna go down there?
I probably go out and get
The golf cart? Okay, we're leaving at 11 o'clock to go run around town.
Okay. Yeah,
But,
this is right down the street.
You take it to don't go left. Tomorrow supposed to be gloomy.
So I
Okay.
take
That's why I'm gonna go ahead and
no. I get off the road.
well late tonight.
Yeah.
But tomorrow supposed to be gloomy to get that picture. You didn't look good.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, supposed to be rainy like.
Y'all getting up ready to go now?
Yeah.
Take it. You want to go smoke something?
Yay! All right, stay tuned. Here we go.